Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing.
Jamming with studios. Love is real.
That take me heart out of my chest and give to you, give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue, never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true, love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of, you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. And I walk through the forest just to get to you. I even walk on a crocodile back. I even climb in the treetop just for you. Take a bullet, run with a grenade. I die for you. This is true love. You have me feeling some sort of way, girl. What you doing to me got my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let 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 love be free.
Just stay and build back on some fun, like why since we leave.
I see it's not my personal man, but man I live with and he maybe so come from work, you understand? So we can't stay here. I don't want the problem and the excitement. I don't like problem, you understand? I must say I do what I don't do, you know. Where I do things. You understand? So just understand for now. Time so can come and I can stay as long as they want, but for now, you can just go in peace, you understand?
Alright.
Cool? So I like this though.
For real?
I really like it. It's like my favorite color from ever since. Although them say grey and color must be some shade or some tone business. I'm not even sure, but I like it though.
You can buy me 2 more of them.
Sure. You know I can always do that for you. We may have big house man for. So you reach the king bush, you know.
What is it?
Yeah, but I don't want to pop my cane first before you pop any other cane. Wait. Can you manage on this one?
Yeah, don't buy them right now.
Why? How was it?
It was alright. It's fun.
As usual, not true?
Yeah.
You say it's nice and juicy and so. So let me break you up. Eh? Yes, enjoy.
Yes, man.
No, me also like enjoy it as well.
Like always.
Alright, so you just don't pop my cane. Must like cane bush you coming up. You take up cane still. You can carry 3 pieces. And mark it.
Alright.
Me I will carry one and you carry 2, you know easy. Psycho.
Yes, young miss. What's your name again?
Pinky.
Pinky. And so, thank you for coming today because we've been looking for. Would you stop licking the ice cream like that? Because when you lick the ice cream like that, it put things in my mind. So slow down. If you have bite piece of ice cream, bite piece of it. Come, let me talk now. So what's your name again now?
Pinky.
Pinky. Alright now, so I look at your paper, I see that you don't need much to read in this job. You don't need to have no subject. You just need to be clean and not nasty, because Jamaica have some nasty people and some clean people. So if you're one of the clean people, then thumbs up. The work you have a long time with us here. Alright?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna ask you some questions and you tell me the answer it, alright? Alright, so where are you from?
Nigga, me come from, you know.
Where in the grill?
Yeah. My place name. I did past Textico did it, so. Good work.
Alright. You come from Good Hope. But it sounds like I cannot show where you come from, you know. So it's a liability if I cannot. If you take the people and things out of the house now, the company has to pay back. But anyway, you look like one trustworthy person. You have a thief or nobody yet?
No, sir.
You ever tell a lie?
No, sir. Me a Christianina, so I'm not gonna tell a lie on you. I'm not gonna tell a lie.
Just a minute, Christian are the lies of people then.
No, sir.
So do not tell me about Christian.
No,
Some of them tell some lie, them lie to themselves. So I will not go down the journey with you on the Christian part of it. But when I say look trustworthy, so I'm gonna give you the opportunity. I will not judge you off or you look or anything. You look a nice good girl. I'm gonna give you the opportunity. So you're gonna work and then you get paid. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. You'll get the job. So now I like to ask people honestly, be honest now. What price? What is this person? Yeah, right now, me in middle of a meeting now, so allow me to call you back, alright? Yeah man, allow me to call you back. Alright. Yeah, so, what may I say now, back to where I was asking you now. What amount of money you looking for per month? Because this job pay monthly.
20 grand, you know. As me tell her 20 or 30.
20 or 30. Alright. I'm gonna make you a deal. So you're gonna live at the place, you're gonna keep on care there. I'm gonna give you $19.99 per month. Alright? So instead of you getting the 20 or the 30, 9 is bigger than 20. You know that though. 9 is bigger than 3. 9 is so. Wonder if I should you want 9999 or you want 19999?
You mean 999?
You will rather do 99 them. So I'm gonna give you $9,099. Like you. Yeah, but true, I like you. Because I booked some people in here, then I take the one before the 9, but you're smart. That's a girl right there. So it's 9999. And you're fine. Alright, so I don't know why you go over now. Why you go straight in that place I feel. All you need to do is read through this, the fine print, and sign it up. That means you have it done on document of somebody. Put your TRN number, the ID number, want a picture. Further on, more and go ahead and see where you come from to ensure so if you run out to do them things you go find it. Alright, so to sign up them things, then you got the job. So I'm gonna put you at a place now to work. And listen me now. If you now work at this place, you do not carry anybody there. Because you will be a nice person and carry somebody there where you trust so much. And them thief things and then they go look bad for you. You know. You got the job. Just sign up paper and leave it right on my desk. And me have a number, more call you by tonight. Go here, go bathe and fresh up yourself. By tonight you have the job and I will check in at work the job whenever I please. Alright? So just go home and come back. Sign up paper and go on and come back. Alright, carry the paper with you, come back. Carry the paper with you, go on. Let's take a call. My mother call me.
Alright.
Hello, mommy. Alright. Good night, yeah. Can you please contact me a cleaning team? I have one at one of the place them. I want a cleaning team clean up from top to bottom, dust down, map out everything. Yeah. And just tell me what you got cost and me wire the money to wherever who need to get it. Alright? Yeah man. Everything good man. Happy New Year to you too man. Bless up, bless up. We have done a lot of great work in the past in 2022. Let's see if we can make 2023. Why? I hear them so fly so fast. I remember when it was 1993. But anyway, enough of that. Do if you do and then contact me and get some money. We talk. We'll meet up at the bar and have a drink, man. Enough respect, man. Burn it down. Alright. Cool. There's some client outside making a bag of nice that they may attend to. Right? Because the business of keep and care is pumping up. Because a lot of people want to go overseas and they want somebody responsible at them place because there's a lot of criminal and burglaring going on. And them afraid to have them family they had. Because family will tear down them things and watch them and bad mind them. So they want somebody to keep and care them place. So this is where my service come in very good. Be a text and come even phone same way. Since I start this keep and care company, you know, a lot of things are going on, you know. Yeah man. Keep and care. Alright? So we talk though. Alright. Alright, what is that?
Oh boy. Thank you God, I'm home.
Darling.
No touch me.
Why?
You see the man near my car? No touch me. Get up.
Which man?
Henry, get up.
You're funny. Where you going, sir?
I'll back here.
Say your name Henry. You said him not Henry. You're not other Henry right here. I'm something else.
Oh, Henry.
Now your name, so darling.
Mike, the name.
Mike Henry.
Henry sound like you can be away car with like, never call me Henry. You never.
Babe, stop. Babe, so now, you know, the bedroom must be spicy sometimes. Change of name, change of position.
May I ask that question? I'm for them kids. Where it come from? Come on, the young man run to my house. Where kid come from?
It doesn't matter.
Come on.
Where y'all get up for, baby?
Where kid come from?
And next door, I'm gonna go pick them. You don't know someone came pushing up the road. What's the matter? I'm telling you something. Why you always a judge me, brother? And me, God, came push go pick them. I pop them, whatever they call them, I cut
When
them.
I kid push, kid grass, kid water, kid juice. Don't let me hold someone down, please.
Who's jealous? I'll work hard. Give me the phone.
Yes, boss. You want to talk to me private, boss? Good. Check your pot for the fire.
You tell somebody I'll cook?
Baby, I can't call me so. Hey, go. Where you want to put me that problem? Yeah. Alright, boss. I'll see you in the morning, boss. Yeah, good. Come here. What you cooking on there? I know I love you, know. What you cooking on there? What you cooking?
Baby.
No, I don't. Oh man. Yeah. Well, because I check up on this because I have good news, you know. No man, we are fly out. That I good news. Yeah, I'm also. But yeah, no. The thing is, we're gonna spend 6 months. We'll send the girlfriend up and family, then we'll stay coming on and she one of the big houses, isn't it? So we can have a look at time for the partner with the big house before we fly out somewhere until I send me my flight. XYZ when I have a flight, I have 2 weeks. You know, left. Yeah man, of course. That is a must. Hey, come on baby, she have to believe that. You don't trust me again? Alright. So when the time comes, it comes for you. Okay, love you.
Who you talk to?
Hmm?
Who you talk to?
I don't understand.
Not the bunny give me on phone. Mr. Who you talk to? Look at me here them. Who you talk to on phone?
I'm supposed to leave like 2 weeks early. I ain't go long so. How to get one per phone? We can't do nothing in iPhone. That does. What?
I don't know. You can't trust me and I can't trust us. I don't know about that. Me really don't know about that. I like get stamina this.
You better learn to trust I because me don't understand. Why you want to come out here, by the way? Because me up on the phone?
Mm-hmm.
That make you come out here?
Yeah, mm-hmm. Show me up on phone.
Alright, keep on coming. Keep on coming. You might get where you look for. Keep on coming. Take man for idiot. Listen here. Sit down yourself. May I talk to you?
Wait there. Here, grab me so.
You really have to answer about this thing?
No about that. What you say?
Listen to me now. I go fly for 6 months. So if me I go live here for 6 months, I don't want you to stand here in the big house by yourself. So if you make rain fall good for me and you, it's either I live in my family yard or your family yard. Where they can keep an eye, we can call and we can video call and say yes and they say you're there. And it's when we left you there. I don't want you to go nowhere. Just a family if you go a shop, go buy what you want. Just if you want a nickel or a pin, you don't go out there. You send somebody to buy it. You pay them, come and live as much money with you. I don't want you on the road. Cause my love now good on for you.
You serious? Anyways, you know somebody still know. I'm not gonna from them house because they don't like me. So they don't really like me like that, but I rather go my family them house, you understand? So why you watch me so much about video call and this make sure somebody did damn pin on because why you watching like that? Why you think so? But it still makes sense still. Good idea nonetheless. You know? Good idea. You can always go there until I return back from overseas. What do you think? Makes sense.
Listen, talk all you want to talk, you know. And one solution you want to tell you, say, you see my apple, you know, go like what Eve do and give it to Adam. So you see, I will be Adam for tonight and for the rest of 6 months. You don't left that yard. I'm going to repeatedly tell you, you don't left it no matter where you go. So ramp with me because you don't want to lose, you know. You have a good, you know. Keep it down, boy. Please, relax, you know. Nice of yourself, come and bring something for you. You want to buy a tile, if you?
Eh?
You want a bullet?
Where's some about bullet and tie? No, I don't need that. I already have my things inside the kitchen, like my seasoning, you know what I mean? Like, my liquor, my banana, my red banana. I don't season that stuff, but I still can't work on my cucumber and my carrot, you know? And the blend up and stuff, right size, so the right blender. Me and my stuff them, man. It's not easy, you know? It's not easy.
Wait a second. The carrot and the cucumber. A good thing. I don't eat carrot and I don't eat cucumber. You see, I tell you, come. See when I can go and pack in the meantime. So if when the time come, you're left here. I'm trying to go for your family, they're going to use their seasoning. You're too rude and nasty. Go on in. You can't play with food. Go on in. That's what I'm Jamaican girl on program. What? Go on in.
It's not being come on now.
Now? But it's not.
I don't know for a long time now, you know, but actually work for me I do, you know, so steady and the money no really flow into that. Yes man, know. Just give me like 2 more weeks or so and me make your money get to you. You know, say your business they are run, man. Alright, please just talk to your bigger boss to me and make you know, say, in the next 2 weeks, I'm making get the money. Yeah. Alright, thank you again. Alright, bossy. Why this a company? Hello? Hold on, girl.
My man in my yard. My sister and my girlfriend for a couple months, you understand? And him not trust me to no extent. The man send me go country from Manchester go spend time with my family, them, you understand?
Really?
Yeah, girl. So I'm gonna need somebody in his absence and my absence to just keep and care for me, understand, as relates to the big house me have done here.
Girl, I know me have a Batman. We can do it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
So I've experienced something that's true.
Look how long you know me. You know must know so me can do that.
The stress in a girl, the stress and the memory, the loss, you know. Stress, man. Stress out sometimes. Just understand. The memory go and come. You understand?
Yeah, me understand.
Yeah, man. So let me know when you can come. Alright, I'm gonna tell you when you're supposed to come. You understand? I'm gonna tell you at a time so you can come.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright, later.
You're good though.
As me say me good. Alright, later. Alright.
Who was that on the phone?
My friend, Carissa,
Oh.
the nice one. May I talk to her about you and say I'm gonna need someone to come by the house. Like keep and carry the house in our absence. Kind of say we're gonna need somebody to like wipe them and map them and
Yeah, she can come.
What you say now? You call me to come here and I come. What you say?
I want to talk to you that I'm calling for.
About what?
Bowie, of course.
Yeah, listen.
So you come so. Want money, want me ear, do want my nails. And some look nice.
Where you get money from?
Where you mean?
Me not working.
So you take up woman.
See my mother at work, she gonna look now. No chase me dress up in the hot clothes. I'm not a scammer. Don't do that.
More money, more.
Me nah no money. Me a school boy. If I love, we can definitely love, but me nah no money. Where me get money from? You know me love you
Love
already.
alone can't do more
listen
money
now,
too,
you know
more
me.
money too.
Yeah. So you no love me.
Yeah, me love you and thing, but more money.
So just take
Love
time
can't
we do
buy
that.
ear, and love
Things
can't
take
buy nails.
no, listen now. Things take time. Money I go come. You see me? Just bear it with me.
A long time me a beer.
But this a your style and already for change it.
What do you mean by?
It still look fresh. How when I did do it?
Long time now.
Can't bounce out another 2 weeks, man. No matter dust get work.
Are you sick?
Look for when you see me come to school.
That have nothing to do with me.
Me nah get no lunch money like that. Hold on.
We have in school boy and school have money.
Mommy! 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 You get to work? Oh, where you then? Alright, may I go down there now? Alright, yeah, may I go down there. Okay, no? Me talk to you later. Mother just call me so my auntie a fool girl. Me
So
talk to
imagine
you.
me call you, yeah.
No, me can't talk to you now. Me talk to you later. Yeah?
Yeah, put food over me.
Wait for me, sir. Here, wait for me, sir.
Me
Full time, me can't talk. Auntie, see me here.
Taste bad rice. Yes, good. You put on no taste. But I rice first. I was not.
You better come cook.
I was not like this up.
Well, come on, time.
It tastes bad time. It not just test.
So I am in mine.
If you taste that, then I lie you.
You could have a little bit more. What is this? The joy in our person.
But as far as my crossing system, tell him to me cook. I'll do you cook. Hello? There. Me cook some food, yeah, and me left some for you and for your boy. So, make sure you can some money. Okay, don't know so we not be like that. Make sure you can some money. And we can buy for grocery. You can now just come on me out. What happened? Okay. Alright, my dear, the food there come up. And I take too long, man, with me, so I know that. Alright, later. Pop this one.
It is right. You make it come.
Then no much girl.
I will put ready to come here and bring a place in our
And in that daddy feed chips. Yeah,
You know what I am?
Mm-hmm.
If it's pizza, if it's 1 pound of flour and take up and fry.
Can bun me? And this food tastes bad still. Can go.
I bet take up here and go wax off you.
I'm not anything, man.
Cool. What you came with?
Even auntie.
You must tell me though.
I was trying to make.
Hey! Not that something love me yet. I want to see a man. I say here about I must tell mama just tell you. Because unless you get if you can't come here. Yeah, you understand?
This is your auntie.
Auntie, but me hungry.
Yo, you want me to get? Eh? Your mama can't come in here? Go sit down.
Tell him. You think I'm here for you?
Or you want me to turn over for you? Eh? Go on, man.
You know where you get from?
Can I get more rice, auntie?
What rice? Did you start eat yet?
No, no drinks in our fridge.
You want the concept. You want your money to buy drinks? You cannot eat and drink.
Auntie rice.
You know. And that was privilege class.
Rice will cook me, auntie.
Listen to me. If you know me, I don't touch me. Make it in me. If you learn to train him, man. You must tell me speak must cast dilute or whatever. When ready? Yeah, dilute. You want to come on gravy, Sonny?
Yes.
I must have milk a young one for a woman. I'm telling this.
I'll do every auntie.
Yo, man, I buy gravy. Hey, the man, why must I eat? Before I take back the food fry you. Move fast. So you want to get me ignorant. Do not touch it there. Whatever in my pot after the man. Utter than bread. You move my bag in here. Don't have one left out in here. Utter than.
Hello? Well gone, babe. What? What is it? I lie. How much money you win? Joke Aaron now. I'm not a joke thing with you, know. No, 1 week. I'm not sure. Alright, I see what I can do. If people then now come back if you know still, you know, a 6 month then gone for. Yeah, but don't go nowhere, go spend out none of your money, you know. Not gamble, not drink out back no night, no, because more some night. Alright, just give me 2 hours or off. Alright, later. Yeah, love you too. Hey, hello. Yeah, what one? You don't know nobody when do no keep on care work. Alright, give me their number now. Remember what I want if you do. Yeah, me depend on little work for 6 months, but my boyfriend say he wants me for a week or so. And we can't really leave the place open, so I want somebody to come stay for me until me come back. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna have a pen. Put in my phone and done. Alright, thanks. Hold on. 799. 1328. Alright, thanks. Me call her later, make it know. Alright.
Hello?
Yeah, sorry for calling us so inconvenient, but me here say you do keep on care work.
Yeah, you're talking to somebody from the care services. I'm in the restroom now. Let me walk out and then go back into my office.
Okay, okay.
Alright. I'm divided attention now. What you say looking for now?
Somebody to keep on care place until we come back for a week or so.
Alright, so that'll be. Where is it located? Is it in the ghetto or uptown?
Getting uptown.
Alright, uptown price it is like I'll take for 50,000 per. I can take. Alright, just so like you're a reserve person, give me 30,000 per week.
Alright, I just 1 week going on along because me can't leave the place too, you know?
Yeah, man, alright. I'm good for it. So, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna finish up some stuff and then I'll come over to you a little bit late. I'm gonna be just before this up. Alright, I have some paperwork finishing up for some client. Then I'll come over. Alright?
Alright.
Just send me your location.
Okay, okay. Alright, thanks
See you
again.
soon. Alright. Thanks for the business.
Money for me later.
Hello? Anybody there? Hello? Sorry I come so late. Everybody else, I'm the runner of the company, we are called, right?
You know how long me wait for you?
Yeah, but sorry about that. Everybody else is occupied because everybody else leaving them house and all of my staff them gone. So I'm the only one left available now, right? To do the job. So we are professional what we do. You left the deposit already and when you come back, we pay the rest of the money. We keep on care. I guess you know the policy already how much you take
Yeah,
over
me
there.
know.
Yeah.
But what me have to say to you still. First thing first, me don't want nobody here.
Nobody will come here.
When me say nobody, me mean nobody, you know.
Yeah, nobody will come here. Because people
And-
will come and thief for things and the company look bad.
And second, you see that view here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can wash your so off, because right now you want to wash. But me don't want nobody drive you.
Alright, yeah man,
Nobody.
that's okay.
And make sure you clean up the place now. Remember in here,
That-
you have to keep
That's in the
care.
criteria. We keep and we care.
So you understand me as I want?
So how long you gonna be away for?
No, I don't know. Around just 1 week or 1 week and a half. I don't know how long trip.
Normally we do long term is more preferable. If a short term it costs you more. You read the fine print in the policy, right?
Yeah, me really, but that's me say I know long time.
So me I say now, I'm very professional in what I do and I have your best interest at heart and I'll take care of your property and I'll get the vehicle washed and you can feel free to tip me after all of this because normally I don't go out on the limb but we need the business and it's good, right?
Just make sure.
Yeah man, everything's okay man.
Nobody here, nobody drive my vehicle. All thing we need to do is take care of the place.
ensure that everything alright. You know me at all.
Alright, yeah man, they're good man, they're good. So when you gonna leave? Tonight or tomorrow?
You know, say in the late night.
Alright, it's okay man. I will be inside you, I'll be invisible. Like you're not ever see me, you just do what you do and you come back and get the place in one piece. Alright, just leave the key on the dresser. When you're leaving, everything is good. I'll be here invincible. You cannot ever see me. You see it?
Oh my God. So hang on. No, sir.
You call me? Until I disappear at times. You ignore yourself. I'm here. Don't worry. Why you look for me?
And the hide and seek me a play.
No, I'm keep on care.
When you mean if you hide around the vehicle?
No, I just like to disappear and not be in your way. I want to be out your way. When you're gone, we take full charge of the place, and when you come back, you get back the place. You see, don't send nobody here when I'm here, you know. I will take
some... one thing, we make sure, you know. We make sure, like...
You have no man to come here? No woman to come here?
Not even family members.
Alright, because anybody cross the boundary at the time there, under my rule is trespassing. And when you sign, you give me full ownership of it when you're not here. Alright? So anybody catching you can break them up.
Anything you want to do with that.
Alright.
And you alone to live here, and then you
alone
to come back.
Alright.
I'm to come back and get my vehicle in one piece.
Everything
and my place in one piece.
Alright, perfectly understand.
Make sure.
Alright?
Okay, come.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning. Are you just walking out here? Supposed to go in there?
Just walk, come this no dog. This no dog. So I come over here and check. Come here look at the
Come check me?
Yes.
You know me or you come check me?
I don't know you, but I look at the work. So I see you in your van back.
Oh.
So I just walk in and
because you see, if my woman went there, yeah? And you can't check, say you can't check me, I would have get in a world of a problem because it's me bad and me a world of a woman. They're not there my case. But anyway, where say you can't check for now?
If you have no days work, you have no days work in there.
Well, I know have only work me have is volunteer work, right? It's volunteer work. That's the only point I have here. You want that work there?
Yes, sir.
You take it?
Yes, sir.
What the work name me I tell you?
Volunteer.
You take volunteer work?
Yes, sir.
You have a volunteer work before?
No, sir.
But you want that one to do?
Yes, sir.
Alright, come. Only one thing, don't worry. Only one thing, don't worry. You get lunch.
Yeah, man.
And if no anything, food there.
Yeah.
Alright, come.
Alright. Fire.
What going?
So me don't do me I do downstairs there now.
You don't do it though?
Yeah. So just sweep out the place and map out, you know.
So all that downstairs done?
Yeah.
So you come over here now?
Yeah man, me come over to come.
Go on do your thing man. No let me stop you man. Just go on do your thing, alright?
Yeah man.
Alright.
So anyway, so I'm gonna see for your lady. I'm gonna see for your lady and come here.
Well, my lady there pass she there now. I do what she feel do, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah man.
Okay. So to me come here now, me come this morning and me come and me not see her. You understand?
Yeah.
Me see. Yeah, that's why I ask you.
Yeah man, everything good man. She good and me good.
Okay.
Yeah man.
So you know say from me downstairs this morning I sweep out and me sweep out and me sweep out and me start map now me I think about you. Like me I say me like you, you know. Yeah man, me I say me like that Rasta man the man. See me so me I say to myself, me I chat to myself.
No, so chat to yourself, just saying a madness.
Not really madness, but me just talk so me like you. Yeah, me not tell nobody if you ain't go tell you
why. Like? Why not me you like? What you like about me?
Yeah, me I say me like how you look and your shots you have and look sexy pan you.
No, you see me now, ragamuffin. Don't mix her with sex and sex is for woman. Apart from that though, me not see why you like about me. What about me?
But me like about you.
Yeah.
So me see you and me say just because me look on you and me say you look good. You know, me like how you look. Me like how your body look. You
Well,
understand me? I say, yeah, me like how your body looks. So me say, you know me like that man.
yeah man. But me I say no, I gotta say one thing to you.
Yeah,
And you not take it offensive, right?
yeah.
I am not on the market, right?
No, me just see up on the market.
No, me I tell you, say me come off of the market. So that means say, do not map and think about me or wash and think about me. You have to just do what you have to do still. But not to put me on your brain. You understand what I mean? Because
Like you, man,
if you
I
down
like
there
you.
talk to yourself, you know. Talking to yourself is a sign of madness, you know. Though people do it sometimes, it's a sign of madness.
No man, me no mad man, me just a talk and me no want to go tell nobody and then go back go tell your wife. You understand? So me just talk about you.
Well, everything good, man. But right now, I'm good. Right? So just do what you have to do. You get the work. One day work, man. Nobody else.
Alright, so me I go
Yeah, man.
sweep
Dating.
out and no map out.
Yeah,
So
man. Alright, yeah, man.
so
Dating. Yeah, man.
no worry yourself, cause you know me still like you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Still
Good.
like you.
Yeah, that's good to know. Alright.
Alright.
You done everything in there?
Yes, sir.
Your belly full though.
Yeah, man. Alright, man. How do you, man?
So may I see you tomorrow?
Yes,
Alright.
of course.
Safe travel.
Alright, thank you.
Later. Hello. Are you telling people call and hang up and say, oh, if you call, I have no credit. I don't have no phone either. Alright, Mama. Thank you. You do a good job, here. Alright. What you say name again? Del. Alright, Del. Hello. Hello. Alright. I go suit your sorrow.
What? Yeah, sleep.
Tired, no.
Tired?
Yes, sir.
Oh, just come from, get one look over down a big house there, down on the road there. So, me I go and do, me I do, fi buy a car key, fi send her back to school, because I don't have no money. You understand? That's your car key, no buy it. You understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so me I do a little hustling, fi see if we can buy a car key for you go back to school. Here.
So what kind of work you get, mommy?
Well, my son, me get one work big house there now. Big upstairs and downstairs house there. Me I tell you say, me like your work. Me like your work and me I go make sure say when me get paid, me buy your car key if you go back to school. Cause when you go to school, you understand?
Mommy, no well long go back to school, innit?
Yeah man, you know what down there too? Whole heap of food down there. Me say, people they have food down there for kill. Yeah man.
So me can come and work with you too?
We can bring you one time, make you see place, but no come the country trouble nothing do you know. No come the country take up nothing see people them. Nothing at all. Cause you know say me a no thief already. You just go for work and get the money if you buy your car if you go back to school. You understand me I say?
Yes, sir. You know your son now do that.
Alright, so make sure say cause today you know, me get a call from your auntie and your auntie and make me know say you eat out in things them. Why you do that?
Only because me really hungry.
You did hungry? So me never left something in our house. For you eat, me never left me never left rice in our pot and bully beef. Huh?
Me did finish
And mixed tongue. For your drink. Now me get called today on my phone now. Say you eat out in them.
Oh, one little chips I have me did eat, mommy.
One little chips and him a go answer. And look how much time. Eh? Look how much time for she liquor. And me I give her food to eat. She come here, me give her food. Me give her drinks and be blend up. Me love make. You know, me love make blend up already, you know. You know that, not true? And me make blend up, me give her blend up And that's why she's so big and fat so and big so. And look at me. Come maga. You know so me thin and tan. Eh? Look at me maga. Me no want nobody take no disadvantage of you. You hear me say?
Yes, sir.
You are me pick me. You come up by yourself. And me no want nobody take no disadvantage of you. And me say, nobody take anybody lick you, they lick me too. Anybody cuss you, they cuss me too. You hear me say?
Yes,
If they enjoy you here so, they enjoy feel me too. You understand me I say?
Yes,
So when she call me today, no one go tell me, you know.
But long story short, but I'm hungry.
You're hungry.
Yes, sir.
Alright, me I 2 egg in the fridge there, me I the bread and I cupboard. So you see when time I left fry I say I know me I go just fry 2 egg for you. Cause me no, you know reason why me not left you out there. Because me no want you go out there and go fry and yam off out there. You understand me I say?
Yes, sir.
So me I go out there and now go fry 2 egg for you and bread here.
Alright.
Alright, my son.
Alright. Come with the
Mommy, so me have something to tell you now. Yeah man, me have something to tell you. Me have something to tell you now. Yeah man, me have something to tell you. Something very important me have to tell you about your daughter. Yeah man, you know who me attack man. Me not call no name because me don't want me and son girl have nothing, you know. Yeah, because you know so me and him can't agree. You know so me and her can't agree already, you know that. You know that. Because him a disrespect me son and talk about how my son eat 1 chips. Just 1 chips. And so. Me I tell her say, I tell my son, you know, I tell my son and I talk to him, come in since night and I talk, you know, tell me say, next time don't yam more fear. You understand what I say? Because I can't believe say, she there I go on so with my picnic for 1 little chips. You understand what I say? Can't believe it. Me I tell you the truth. Mommy, me upset. I'm grieve. You understand? I'm upset. I'm grieve. Me grieve, mommy. You mean, mommy? We are talking, man. My picnic, mommy. No, mommy, don't say that, man. Don't say that. Don't say that at all. Don't say that. Yes, if you live good, but she not live good. Why she have to be so?
See me here. Wagwan.
Morning.
Morning. How are you there?
Son.
Don't move. Don't move on this. Come, what one?
Carry my son this morning because I don't have nobody to stay with him down there, you know?
And your son?
Yeah.
So bring your son come to work there today then?
No, I don't have nobody to stay with him down there, so I bring him. So make sure so I tell him so when he come here, he don't trouble nothing for you. Make sure so he sit down and place and behave himself.
You're cardi, sir.
You see this? I don't like questioning him. Tell your son keep a sip on him mouth. What
Yes.
me say?
You hear that door?
Do not
Keep a
ask
sip on
me
your
any
mouth. Don't ask him
question.
any question. Yes, just sit down
Antisocial.
and behave yourself.
Boy, it was big and nice.
Yes.
Here we are. Anyway, come in. You good, son? Milo.
I look, me are looking for a third one, mommy have in my yard.
Another one then. Put your brother's about. Put your brother's shelf about. But your mother still not come back yet?
No, you no come back.
Oh, no. Don't run with this, man. You alright, though? Drink some water now. You can name, though. How do you see that your yard? Eat some of the food, lock the door, go and eat the food. But drink some water, man, too much sweet. Lock the fridge.
Can you put it on that?
No.
Chai?
No, I'm not him. Hide your face. Now, I have to leave from way where I'm doing a project to come and page you. Because somebody called me and tell me, say, you're up here. People don't have camera out the door, you know. They turn a foreign and tell me, say, yeah, go and be things up here. You have man that come in and out like the ramping shop. So what? Go on and know, you know. I go while you pack things them, you are fired. Pack things them out of the people place and move out. Because you come here to keep and care. And instead, you're there just a wear and tear. You just have to walk your body without care. So here, not the job for you. You have to go try and find back road or up on the bridge and Negril too. This is not the place. You did down so and you know do nothing. And you tell me say you want this, you want the hairstyle, you want this and that. And I say, alright then, I'll boss you up on a job. It's a professional job. To here, pack your things them and go. Alright? Now just wait for you pack your things them.
Hey girl, you know some bastards for me do? Yeah, I can't talk there right now, so tell you what going on, but I try to work, but I think I want to work, you know. Alright, I'm so call you back. Yeah. I'm gonna be it now.
What you say?
I'm gonna be it first.
Yeah man, do your thing man. Do your thing man. Now wait for you.
Come here first, I'm gonna aim with some.
Alright, may I come? They want help you now, because I'm kind of tired now. I want help you. You want me help you now? Alright, thank you. But you see when you're done, beard and thing, you still fired, pack your things them and go. Thank you though. No, just have it part.
What you mean?
What?
You just get sitting now while I go for fire me.
We never made that agreement there.
Take me gear, so where you think me gear for?
You call me say you want help with something, I'm help you. You try to pay me.
Oh, wicked man.
Yeah, hello? Well, I'm exhausted tonight. Tomorrow we talk. I can't do no business talking tonight. I'm well exhausted, alright? Alright.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Fire! Fire. Evening.
Come on.
Ready to go, man, you know.
Yeah, we know. Yeah, come on now.
Yeah, man.
Safe chopper, man.
Yeah.
I walk home.
No, sir.
Drive it down.
Yeah. So me ready to go, so me come to me pay.
You say?
Yeah. Remember so today a Friday, you know.
What kind of work you do?
Volunteer.
What? You confuse me, you know.
I confuse you. What means me I confuse you?
I stayed up in my house, you know. I stay here, I volunteer, I don't pay nothing, and nobody don't pay me nothing. If you don't do volunteer work, you don't get no pay. I know, you know the meaning of volunteer?
No.
So how you say you want volunteer work?
You never know, sir. You never know, sir.
But you love, when you pick up things you can't manage, just say you want volunteer work, come give volunteer work, now you have more money.
You mean, want the money to go to market, go buy some groceries. Today a Friday.
I prank you, try prank me?
No, sir. Me not prank you. Me dead serious.
But what I'm saying to you, I tell you what kind of job me have, me only have volunteer work for you, so you want it. Right?
Yes, me say me want it.
So you get it and now you don't want to take it. You get volunteer work, you get the work. You don't have money to give you.
Alright then. So you go. So you go.
You eat something though, your belly full.
Yeah, me eat.
Alright, so you're
Me
good then, no
eat
man.
down there.
You're good. Yeah, come back around next week.
Yeah, me I come back at work Monday, so me have something to do downstairs. So me I go just take up the garbage them and go throw away.
Yeah, and yeah, cause my time them a similar up the place, man. Take out everything. Take
Yeah,
out
man,
everything.
I'll take them out. I'll
And
take
any
them
of
up
the
right
spoiled
now.
things you see in the fridge, dash it
Yeah,
away.
yeah, me go deal with it.
Alright.
Go deal with it. Alright then.
Alright, here.
Alright.
Thank you again.
Alright, later.
Alright, you fit the job. The volunteer work fit you.
Alright then.
Thank you. Thank you, Jah. Another day, you know. It's a beautiful day, Jah. My sins wicked, but I'm not really worried. Not really worried. Only chappies come floating in Jah. No, Jah. That's what you're up here. Anything like upset? No. Hello. Good morning. Yesterday after me have a reason upstage, I tell you, say, keep and care in job. You say you're going to do it for volunteer. Or you talk about all the things other people in place. Me no response to where you no food in the yard and this and that. Because you tell me say you want volunteer work and me give you volunteer work. Or we take up them things. I bet some police can lock you up. You want bet? You want bet? You know, no sorry to you know. Everything good. But you don't have no principle. You have to know words mean before you use words. Oh, you say volunteer and then you come and have money night evening. I don't know you can say volunteer. Anyway, take away everything we get, take away again. Hope so that lasts a favor. Because I unfair that. If you don't know the words, ask me the meaning of the word. Because you come to me about that word. Say one word, come and tell the only person you have. It's a volunteer person kind of money not did it for that. Your son hungry. You know, he's always hungry. One day I eat everything out of the house all the while. Alright, come on. We're not an argument to do. Everything good. Nobody come back next week. Everything good. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. Your house good, man. Everything's okay there. Nothing. The yard cut. Everything good. Everything I maintain. Everything good. Don't worry about that. Everything is good at your house, man. Everything good. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you now and I go over there today. You know what I mean? I go drive over there today. So I will take some picture of the place and come give you to show you. Because I like transparency, you know, you can see what's going on. So don't worry yourself. You're safe with us. Keep and care services, JA, don't worry about that. If you do the job, your place safe. Not to a pin and missing out of your place. Alright? We guarantee that. 100% not missing out of your place over there. I have a female over there. She's sharp. Nothing missing. She no care nobody did it. Nobody no come did it. She not go nowhere. She just one them people just love then they out. So she just did it. Clean up the place and to the place. Clean and span. So alright. So we know you have concern. I'm gonna take some picture over there today and let you get it. Alright. So I'm gonna go over there sometime shortly today. Alright. I will shower and get myself together. 1 or 2 errands, but by the evening you'll be getting some picture. Alright? Did you make the deposit though in the account? Thank you very much. Send me the receipt so I can verify. Alright? Alright. I will shower. Alright? Alright. Thank you.
So, we just done a sex and you on the phone. Now, the sex is nice. I'm going to take you and mash up, man.
I some business on the phone and deal with, brother.
What kind of business you deal with?
So, I'm tell us, say, it's boss. So, I asked him if I come tonight and I'm saying, I'm coming inside. So, you understand? So, that's why I made the whole night tonight.
Well, I feel offended because we just done a sex and you on the phone and you make it look like say you're nice or what. So, what you plan to do for your side night?
Yo, I bastard, brother. I bastard.
Let me carry.
May I come?
Alright. All the things happening up there, but the place dirty, man.
May I come, man? May I clean up the places, right?
But they hold on, the place don't clean over there. Open up.
May I come?
Have to come in and come. I see outside, not even makeup.
Same baby, me and make up, man.
But why the bed have makeup right now? You're not supposed to make up for a morning.
I'm really tired. Very tired.
But are you so tired of and in the kitchen so messy?
So you don't even know, brother.
So yeah, but keep party up so in the kitchen so dirty.
What's So me never did keep my party.
Remember, say you come here to keep and care, you know. So you have to keep the place and care it. Don't look like you are keep it, but you not care. So, what is the slippers are so?
You know, see how them my friends slippers.
But rule one, you know, find a friend now. Where friends gonna be there? Your friend live there?
No, he ain't gone now. He ain't gone.
No, but no friend of you there first. Pinky, you remember the agreement?
You can remember.
Nobody knows he come here. So, oh, your friend, yeah. You think a party place there? The people them spend $1 million in them place.
No, I saw me come drop off, man.
So, when drop off? When drop off?
It's a food in come drop off, give me.
So, when drop off food here, your restaurant.
Me a laugh.
So, in Japan, so in Japan, falling close to. Nothing close at all? So in Japan, close to. Oh man, so you need to feel hot though. You don't feel hot like sweaty. Maestro. Oh man, something wrong, man. Something wrong. Something wrong. Something wrong in here.
So I searched today so far so bad.
No, you want to know? I saw me come pay for it. Because I left one tool up here. Because before we get the job, I have some tool on my work. Before I carry down here, I have some tool because I have a walker youth, a walker yard around the place. So, you think I left the gas in here? So?
No man, the gas stay out the door.
Listen now, the gas won't go on for gas come.
Go on at the second door.
Yeah, somebody in there, son?
No, nobody in there.
Alright, so if I open up and find somebody in here, what must I do? Must I fire you? Tell me what to do with you.
No.
If I open it, tell me, should I fire you?
Me don't know, boss.
Do you have somebody in there? Me
I
have a
saw
light to
somebody
fire
in
arm in my car, you know. Me just go out there to lights and fire shot straight into that, you know. Do you want me to do that?
No, sir. But
Somebody in there.
Nobody
in there.
No, I saw me having there. That's why me can't.
Alright.
So say, boy, careful.
I go spray that bacon in there then. Can you think they go there? This is the pies, you know. This is pies in us, you know. If I spray now, somebody, you know, can I spray the spice in there?
No.
No,
We have to spray money, money, boss.
nobody not in there. Someone must spray this in there and then see what go on.
So yeah, when I mash up your money, when you
No, it's an insect spray. You don't trouble money. You don't
you
trouble
trouble
money.
it. The people, no man, the people them are gonna say.
Pinky, I'm gonna ask you a question.
Eh.
You employ money, employ you.
You employ me, sir.
So can I give you that and you follow it?
Yeah.
Pinky, step away from the cupboard.
But me I tell us me I
Alright, you have until 10 to from the current from the cupboard I will fire you. 1, 2. Oh, this side. Wagwan sweaty. Sweaty. Wagwan sweaty. Sweaty, you couldn't see it already. Hello, take a things, man, go on. Are you getting the job for work at the yard and you're looking at the people in the house and work at the maid? Lord of God, Pinky. Pinky, come here to me, Pinky. I thought we have an understanding, right? When you come, you tell me that you is a loyal chick and you don't run down. And now you're there in the people in place. You think I'm buying this place here? You think I want to buy it here? You just rev it out, so? Hello, you want to know? I have a great mind just for you up here, you know. Look at people them sheet to Pinky. Pinky! Look how you still with them sheet. What is that on the sheet right now, sir? What is that? Hello, you know what? You are suspended from this premise. I'm going to get somebody else come stay here. Overbook, but me have to get somebody come stay here. Listen, don't go for everything. This shit cannot stay here on it because it's just ramping shop on it. So you cannot expect somebody that's going to lie down on it. What will you do on the bed? You have sweaty and wetty on the people in bed, Pinky. Pinky, looking at me here and talk to you, Pinky. You say you want the work. You get the work, it's like you take more work. You can't lower work. You have a work for work. You just work and go in yard after the time done. Yeah, keep and care. I'm going to tell you, do not bring no man here. You know, say, alright, come check me down in the office for your paycheck mountain. But go on now. Go on. Go on now.
I don't make up my phone here, man.
You disappoint me, Pinky. Pinky, take up the condom when take a condom from I ain't taking down. Take up the condom wrapper from the son. Me now pick it up. At least you do your thing safe. Alright, go through. Go through. Ah, that God. It's a problem place. Place, alright. Yeah, good evening. Alright, now I have a research schedule, right? I have an emergency when I have a location I have to come on tonight. Because this is one of my valuable customer and somebody have their premises. I don't want to let it, them have them TV, they have the look of Van Dangles here and it's very expensive. I have a contract with them and I cannot stay here tonight, so you have to come over here. I'm going to send you the GPS and you find over there. I'm going to let you one location and you pick it up. Alright? The person I'm going to come in back in the week, man, so no long. I'll give you a bonus, man. Thank you for the understanding. Alright.
Come on, you're drinking how much you have.
Fire! 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 What's up? Don't know if I play no man. Jesus Christ.
Hello. No come baby me. You see me tell us I should come on that trip there. See the now, people they left me at them place to watch it. All the vehicle gone. Remember how the vehicle gone? It look like a man when me left here. Carry somebody come take the things them All the food them in the cupboard, in the fridge, much meat, flour, rice, everything. That around 3 to 4 months worth of food now, and everything gone. Him alone couldn't never have them. You see, look like me a joke. All the vehicle where people them send off it drive. It gone, he not dead. Me not blind, me not drunk. And you cause you know, and see they look like a little money. When me forget me not go bother get it. And you know what's part about it? Me don't give man piece of money out tight already too, you know. Okay man, tell me foolish on my head. Me no business. Me no care. Yes, everything gone. Hold on, the garage open. What's so call about?
Good night. I didn't know if I come back tonight.
Good night when me never look for me. Me not tell you to jam people in the vehicle. Me say only wash it. And you never have to move far away if you wash.
No. You know. We carry going to one place called wash it. And ask if the bread, wash your money top back. The tomato, But anyway, different from that, we go to a poly or something.
Me not care about that. Where people them food in their place there? A 3 to 4 months worth of food in there now, what there?
If I tell the yo, wait now. I know we mess up on that. We can't really say nothing. I think say me there do something before I get a free service and end up with robbed. And
what do you mean by the free service? Me not pay you.
No, let me talk about man. Somebody check me for a job. So they want volunteer work. Them like working experience. Listen man, listen to me man. I'm not a idiot, I see the hotel do that. Them train people and pay them for 6, 8 months.
Yeah.
So it's like a working experience me I give somebody to work, to show them how to work. And the person volunteers, so I look into it and say, yeah, it's just like working experience. I'm doing like what the big company do because I'm a company, but it's a small company, so everything just mess up. Sorry about that though. I don't know.
So you have to say one person about everything?
No, I'm not think of that. I think the person teach everything.
Oh, so you can teach and people the most?
I know we can't in here. They come for volunteer work. One person, one female.
And you let her in here?
Yes.
No, nobody now just come bust it one.
No. She come for a job. So she want a volunteer work, but she was done back at the class without subject. So when she said a volunteer work, she never understands a volunteer means free. So when you come for the weekend, she said, fire, I come for me pay. I said, Mama, you say you want volunteer work. Volunteer means free. So she never knows what that volunteer means. So when
you can never pay woman out of your pocket?
No, listen now. A deal is a deal. It's verbal agreement. If you say you want volunteer, I'm going to give you a volunteer. You need to know you know what I'm going to sit down. The food is up.
If you go sit down and the people them things then gone.
Listen man. You know when I place, I will take totally full 150 or 60% responsibility. I will get back from a thing to an anchor. If you're missing in there in a food item, I will get it back.
After my pot them gone.
Listen now, I say I want son come here, I can go in and go. I go down in my pot. I go down son in my pot. Because man yam for yo, I say daddy. If you turn out on him and yam so. But anyway, don't worry yourself, you can go good. So there's a reason, man. So there's a reason talk. Because you have big people, right? So don't worry yourself. You can't tell them to
keep and care. My company is very professional, but all my years of running my company and never buck somebody say they want to volunteer. Everybody come as they come, them say they want money. Just like how you have to pay me. I thought, she said she don't want to pay me things like that, I would get away with it.
So Landy, you expect me to pay now? After I go on?
Yeah, no. Don't worry about, remember, I am a man of a company and I have money. Don't worry about looking money because them, she take all the food item. Every food item, but I guess she really need it still. So let that be under the bridge. But I will go back to my office tomorrow because the night is kind of late and I see you come in. But the van is washed and everything else is good. Only thing is missing is the food stuff them because she want them. So if I don't, I will just go down to the supermarket tomorrow, bring it down there and I could do some shopping and get back the stuff them put back in.
Yeah, better.
Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to ensure so down here is secure and I want bed up there still, so if no, I think I have something to tell you. How come I can't tell you? I don't want to talk too far, but I feel like there is a strong, from the first time I come here, I feel there's a current between me and you. So when I come up there, I will plug it in the socket and see if the current will work. I will come up there in due time. So I'm going to clean up down here so lock up the window there and ensure everything alright. Alright?
I'm turning off the light then.
Alright. Sorry again. Yeah, man, everything alright at my place, yeah? Alright, so ready. Come on. You got it, Charles? Yeah, man. Which studio am I in, you know? So, what's nobody knows what. Yeah. Love you, baby. Flight delayed.
So you're on there?
My cousin is here.
Are you cousin? Yeah.
But So yeah, this is my house I do.
Now security.
Remember say me a woman, you know, and me alone can. So we have to have
I'm the security with the piece of wood.
Listen, you don't need no security, I'll come around this
You don't need no cousin of the overseas.
Listen, I said,
I'm a cousin, man. So what kind of cousin?
no, as I said, the flight delay, and we come back after something. If can go back at the airport. You know, long as they sleep at the airport, we don't have no time. 2 days.
Hello. Me a listen, me a coming, you know. Me think so not teeth coming at them place to come have sex, because I can hear you tell her squeeze her apart and them say, and I say, wait, can't your cousin?
No, I don't squeeze me. I tell her, I say, no, me tell her, I say, because of the like of the man, hang on, pie, you know, man, the man does squeeze you.
You know, see, I lied.
I'm a line
Yeah,
Oh, well,
Alright, wait, cut. Sorry about that, man. You see, students, them say nobody now come here. We just get the eyes for them. Get the eyes, look at that. Check the eyes. Alright, sir.
Good, no.
Come on, Daddy. How long will you manage that?
What do you know, sir?
Daddy. Come here, Daddy, I'm good, Daddy. Anyway, you go put that phone down. Listen, I'm going to get it.
No, but you can't travel, right?
I'm going to Mom, try me look, alright? How would I tell you? Somebody one there, no, somebody else? Can I do
Ah! Eh? Yes! Are you a man now? You're a man.
that good? Ano ka no mga?
Good. Yeah. Oh, I miss you, you know. Like, miss you so much and everything about you. The romance, the affection, and it's all the sugar you gave me the other day.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I told my boyfriend that I picked it from some cane bush whatsoever.
For real?
Yes, I did.
Smart.
Yeah. I
What's
can't
up
let
now?
him know. What?
What's up now?
Maybe we could go inside and just have some fun. See if he's not around. Why not?
Sound like a plan?
Think so?
Boss lady, what you do here?
This is my house. Anyways, this is my man. So just
Yeah, what? Yeah, so I see why you always have the Jamaican them here. You know how she have a man.
No, boss, me no know nothing.
what joint here are you talking about? How sure are you about that?
So I hear you just say this is your man. So I am
I
what?
was just, let's say, practicing for this thing I entered this acting competition. What's the matter with you?
Practicing what?
I was rehearsing.
2 days after my flight.
Oh, go on here.
You know my woman,
No, I never. She give me the work. You know, I don't know who she.
my woman carrying man in here and I never carry soul in here.
So you say?
But I see on your cousin you can't come here. She is a faithful man. You're not a good man. Cousin, come on, you come beat up it. You're your cousin-in-law. Because your cousin-in-law bright and fierce.
No,
Look where your cousin-in-law do. Come look where your cousin. See your cousin-in-law here. Fight her. She can't man coming up here.
No, I said no. No, don't judge. Me not a man. I was just rehearsing as I said before.
Daddy, are you your girlfriend?
No, I'm a general.
So you put the keep on her neck. That's nice one.
You keep on. It's for you.
Practice is a look, you know, rehearsal.
Can't believe it.
Come and see.
Can't believe it. You You think me overseas? What joke?
Listen.
Yo, if I me left for a long time.
You know?
Because you're born. Because of what?
But I want a bun.
Because I'm born.
Alright, it's important one.
No, I don't know.
Through the door.
They just see and no, I don't know me.
Bossy, you can't come clean alone. You have your man and you have your man.
Meet me woman.
Me go chat with you.
Meet me woman.
She's the what?
My woman.
What woman you talking about?
She is the woman of this house now.
Oh!
Because
So hold on. Why me talk on the your cousin? You
no,
listen. No. You
Hello. Lord,
You never say no,
I'm gonna fix you.
because no man that.
But,
So you pretend like you're in the only one in the side cheat. You're cheater too. You're a cheater yourself. And you're telling
Listen. You're still talking for business, alright? So you're a side girl and whatever be the case. You see, you can't be trusted. A long time. You can't be trusted now. Whatever you start, we are finished.
But if you don't even try anymore, baby, you're cheat.
why is he am here?
Where is she just calling? Side girl.
What's a side girl?
Yes, she a side girl.
Still I get better treatment now.
But this a side girl, a boom flick. You only don't for your back dead like how
Lie. A manager can't manage. Whatever you can't manage, other man out the road manage it.
Yeah.
You're weak like what? You need like what? I can't be shot properly.
No, man.
No, there's something. It can't be performed properly.
It's so good down there, so.
Okay.
Girl.
No, you must stay. No, you must stay because come here.
Where you run for? What you gonna have? You have gun?
No, but you know this is Jamaica.
Hello.
One day you go for the
This one.
We have to do with that. We have to do with that.
Hello.
Anything is squiggling between.
We have to do with that. No, more social now. We yet.
Somebody bad.
We yet.
Somebody have to come on. Huh?
We yet. Come chat this guy. She feel like I said.
No.
She feel like.
Bossy.
Why you can't bossy? Me you can't bossy. You me you can't bossy. Can't bossy. Me you can't. No.
Right. Alright. You see, we get rid of her. So yeah, that's some important things to talk about now. So, a long time we want to still because we not supposed to cry. But yeah, we are still, I think more married right now.
So wait, before we talk about that, we're not going to talk about the facts here, make a woman come and come beat me up.
I'm not chanting that, baby. Fight always one. That is a simple thing. I walk one in Jamaica most man and woman can fight over them one another. You know what me do? You make sure me run because me not fight. But you win the fight. So you know you're the best for me right now. If you married you, she never get a ring. So if you get a ring, you're lucky. I 6 people back her. I need some people now. She never do none all the years she there. Like she a lock shop.
Give her 6 pitney. Yeah, you that? We can't push out 2 pitney much at 6. He come like a crazy man. But your ring not sound too bad though. I'm holding mine right now.
I'm going to fix up some more stairs. I'm tired. It's exhausting.